gotta go save Shawn. He's getting eaten. He's getting eaten. No, Shawn. No, Shawn. No. We are on a road trip through the Eastern Sierras in California. Our plan, well, we have no plans. We're going to camp, hike, and drive our way through this beautiful landscape. We named our car Toastie because Honda Elements are shaped like toasters. Here's how we spent our days. Toastie is back! Toastie's back! Toastie's back! We're back in Toastie! Mini Toastie trip here is what we're doing.
Death Valley, Pinnacles, Alabama Hills, Mono Lake, other mountains,
Boating,
forest,
hot springs, hiking.
dirt.
We have no bookings and no plans besides a vague direction. So let's see how this, 5 days, 6 days, a week? We don't even know how long we're gonna be gone for.
Toastie's back on the road.
Time to cook dinner on our first Toastie night. We're gonna have some couscous in our Pathfinder pot pan. Zucchini beans, my favorite. Good morning, Shawn.
Nailed it. Get through that sand.
Toastie did it. Good job, Toastie. Good morning. Trona Pinnacles was a great place to spend the night. It was just us. It was perfect. Now we are on the way to Death Valley, and the road is a bit washed out in some places.
There's no one on the road, and now I'm realizing maybe why. Where are we at?
I don't know where we are.
We're on our way to Furnace Creek,
Oh,
and there's a weird little lake here.
We're in Panamint Valley, because we're on Panamint Valley Road.
It rains so much there's a lake here. It looks scummy as hell, so we're gonna go check it out. So the road is closed, which is whatever. There was a chance that it was gonna be closed with all the rain and the washouts. Safety first. We're not gonna try to go around the sign like a bunch of jackasses. But, you know, next time.
So I guess no Death Valley, and
We're not gonna, so we'll do the opposite. We'll go to Life Mountain.
we'll head to the Alabama Hills instead, which was our plan for tonight. So I guess that means just a little less driving today, which is probably a good thing.
I'm glad we saw what we saw. This is great.
Oh no, don't do that.
We have to get out.
I wouldn't recommend that. Oh shit. Poor Toastie.
We're fine.
Oh no. We have a 2-wheel drive on the Element, so that's too much. Our car can't handle that. So we have to turn around, go all the way back down this valley. There's poor little Toastie.
We gotta go back. I could probably get over that, but if we can't get over it, we're screwed out here because it's gonna get, 100 degrees. So, yeah, Toastie can't make it over that.
This is what happens when you don't plan and check the road closures. There wasn't a sign.
Well, the road's not closed. This road is not closed, which is crazy.
Should be closed.
All right, well, we got a lot of driving to do now, so.
Yikes. All right, let's go. We made it back to Trona, which meant that we took about a 3-hour detour.
We're driving toward Lone Pine in the Alabama Hills, and we just saw a closure sign for Route 190, which is the road that we were on, but it wasn't closed from the direction that we came, but it is closed from this direction. So I'm thrilled we didn't just decide to go over that weird dirt hill and just be like, oh, we'll be fine. Because we would have probably had to turn around even further on.
Definitely visit the visitor center of the Eastern Sierras. It's right before you get to Lone Pine, and tons of really cool information on all the national parks in this area. You can get information about where to camp, where you can have campfires, which is basically nowhere, and about the bears and using the bear boxes, and as well as some interesting information about the hikes. So, Shawn, did you like it?
Loved it.
Also has a nice bathroom.
Nice bathroom.
No soap though. Bring your own.
Water fountain.
Fill up your water.
Have a poop.
Go to the bathroom.
Take a shit. Get some water. Eastern Sierra place.
We're on Movie Road, and apparently lots of different movies were filmed here. A lot of westerns, but also things like Tremors, which Shawn was like, hey, that's what Tremors was. He just recognized it.
Tremors.
I read it on the map.
The part where they're pole vaulting so the Tremors can't get, the graboids can't get them.
They apparently filmed How the West Was Won around here. It's one of my favorite movies from the 1960s. It's filmed in CinemaScope. It's awesome.
This is really fun. There's like pretty decent dirt road, nothing crazy. Beautiful rocks. Oh, apparently a ton of movie locations. Good luck finding them, but if you're a super fan, maybe you'll recognize the landscape.
Of course, perfect views of Mount Whitney, which is the highest point in the contiguous U.S.
She just tries to say contiguous as often as she can.
Contiguous. Pouring the last of the wine, we decanted it into...
Decanted it?
We decanted it into the Nalgene bottle so that it would fit in the fridge overnight so it didn't oxidize because, you know, fancy pants wine from Tobin James Sangiovese.
Another delicious meal.
Alabama Hills, Mount Whitney behind us. Really windy, so it was really tough to cook.
Stuff your mouth guard in.
YouTube is not all glamorous. Rise and shine, little toaster. Good morning from the Alabama Hills. I gotta go save Shawn! Shawn! No! He's getting eaten! No!
He's gone.
My husband is eaten. Nightmare Rock ate him. What do I do now?
Alabama Hills is a really easy, user-friendly BLM land where like there's a nice road in, there's a visitor center, you can find a spot really easily, it's pretty, it's quiet.
At least on a weekday.
Yeah, on a weekend, who knows, but if you're nervous about doing, you know, boondocking or BLM land, Alabama Hills is a great place to get your feet wet. Although, technically they won't get wet because there's no water there, so bring your own.
There they are again.